Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you guys the underrated Photoshop tool, which is the History Brush tool. History Brush tool allows you to restore parts of an image to an earlier history state by painting over them. So for example, you accidentally painted over your image without creating a separate layer and you wanted the specific area to be erased. This is when the History Brush tool come in handy. Just click on the History Brush tool or hit Y for keyboard shortcut and just brush over the image where you made a mistake. Using the undo command tool will undo the whole steps. If you use the erase tool, it will erase the whole image instead of the changes. So using the history brush tool, you have more control which part of the image needs to be restored. That's it for the Photoshop Quickie, and I'll see you guys on the next one.